Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. For the 30022 Communicative English 2, we are given a task which is video assessment about the product description that related to our field of study. We've already discussed in a group and decided to talk about cloth iron. Okay, before we start, I would like to introduce the members group. First is Aisyah binti Mahazir, second is Nurul Azira binti Muhammad Shah, and third is Nurhanani Najiha binti Mat Ghazali. Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce what is cloth iron is. A cloth iron is a small appliance that, when heated, is used to press cloth to remove creases. Domestic irons generally range in operating temperature from between 121 degrees Celsius to 360 degrees Celsius. It is named for the metal of which the device was historically made, and the use of it is generally called ironing.
Hi, my name is Nurhanani Najiha binti Mat Ghazali. My matrix number is 33DFO19098.
What are the features of cloth iron?
Okay, the first one is the design and build. Okay, irons are made of hard plastics and metal. When buying an iron, the most important thing to consider is the size of the handle. A handle that is too big for small hands can be uncomfortable when you are spending half an hour on an hour ironing. Choose a design that is comfortable for you. The second is weight. Irons with large metal bases are quite a lot heavier. Most of the newer models are lightweight and do not put much load on your arm. When buying an iron, you can consider this to see if the iron you are buying is comfortable and easy to lift. Steam irons can be a bit heavier than dry irons. The flip side to a heavy iron is that you don't need to put much pressure while ironing. Okay, the third is power and weightage. When choosing an iron, remember that higher weightage better the performance. This means the high power iron will heat up really fast and help remove creases and wrinkles on clothes with ease. Though higher weightage irons are more expensive, you may want to consider if you need the kind of heating for clothes that you wear often. Okay, the fourth is types of sole plates. The sole plate is also known as a heat plate that is filled to the bottom. While selecting an iron, make sure you choose a wider sole plate with thin and tempered head. This helps cover most area of the fabric and reach into tight plates and under buttons. The most important thing to check sole plate metal there are 4 different sole plate metals. One is aluminum sole plate. The second is ceramic sole plate. The third is non-stick sole plate, and the fourth is stainless steel sole plate. But I'd rather choose stainless steel sole plates because it is not going to be sticky, or if you leave it for hours. If you leave it a bit long, it will not hit. It will not be sticky with the clothes, so I prefer to use the stainless steel sole plate.
What are the characteristics of cloth iron?
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Azira binti Muhammad Shah. My matrix number is 33DFO19F1086. Okay, next I will present about the characteristic of cloth irons. Okay, as we all know, there are many ideal characteristics on choosing cloth iron. One of it is refractable cords. Refractable cords provides simple and convenient storage. Second is automatic shut-off. When dealing with something this hot, the automatic shut-off will turn iron off when it's left on its heel too long or tips over. Is a safety feature you may not be able to afford to miss. Okay, third is self-cleaning. This function allows to set the iron to remove scale deposits that could clog the steam valve and sole plate holes. The fourth is easy temperature setting, and the last is heat-proof handle with thumb rest. Okay, it will prevent our hand from any small incident like getting hurt and something. Okay, the next point is the benefits of cloth iron. First is cloth iron reliably control its temperature to handle different fabrics. And some of us may have steam iron and some may not have. But steam iron give a useful amount of steam without dripping or sputtering water and glide effortlessly over garments. What else? Actually, there are many interesting characteristics about cloth iron. For example, is cloth iron have 1 year service warranty, and cloth iron have many brands here in Malaysia such as Tefal, Philips, and Panasonic. Okay, the size of um, the size of cloth iron is really medium, and it's really suit for us as a student to bring it to uh, our college. And the size is 3D, and there is many various color of choosing a cloth iron. And also the price is really affordable to us to buy it, especially for our student.
What are the functions of cloth iron?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Aisyah binti Mahaze. My metric number is 33DFO19F1078. Today, I would like to present about the function of iron. As we know, the function of iron is to remove wrinkles from fabric. The iron works when the iron is turned on. So, when the iron is turned on, the consumer move it over an item of clothes on an ironing board. So, the combination of heat and pressure will remove wrinkle from fabric and clothes. So, the clothes will look tidy. Ironing also can manipulate the fabric to improve their quality and ensure a long life of fabric and clothes. The conclusion: as a student, especially girl, as we know, we always need iron to look nice and tidy. When having clean and fresh clothes, it will make we feel better, and it can boost our self-confidence. So it make student life more confident to face everyone. So the iron is very important in our student life. That's all. Thank you. Put the plug and turn on the plug. Then choose the type of fabric that you want to iron. Then wait it, a few seconds. Then done.